different, the character was very different. So I just wanted to justify being a part of this movie. So that's why for it was about a change of 2 years. I had to change myself, put on a lot of weight. Actually, it was almost like going back to the drawing board post Love Yatri to play Raulia on screen.
And Salman, so the cop reminds us of Arjun Ranawat in terms of intensity, rawness, and everything else. And I think this is the first time since then that we are seeing you in this avatar. How would you define this cop character? And do you agree that this is the first in the intense space for you since Girl?
Correct. You're absolutely right. Dabang was a different character, so was Wanted, and so was Radhe. This is like that Arjun Ranawat kind of character. Serious and heart and mind both working together in tandem. And he's very strong. He is dedicated to his job, and even though all the opposition, he manages to get things done his way.
Thank you and good luck.
आयुष आयुष आपके लेफ्ट में
Yes sir, yes sir.
आयुष जी जब आपको बताया गया या आपको
आयुष
पता
आयुष कौन है?
जब आपको बताया गया या
कौन है?
आपको
आयुष आयुष
एक सेकंड रुक जाओ, एक सेकंड। और गुड टू सी यू भाई, तुम्हें भी बहुत टाइम से नहीं देखा।
आयुष
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 जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि आपको सलमान के सामने शर्टलेस होना है और वो भी शर्टलेस होकर फाइट करनी है, क्या कुछ चल रहा था आपके दिमाग में?
सर मैंने पहले हार मान ली थी। मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी टेंशन के मारे। और कभी ऐसा मतलब स्क्रीन में तो बहुत बार जब सलमान भाई की शर्ट उतरती है तो सीटी मारी है। अभी बहुत डर लग रहा था कि मैं उनके सामने खड़ा हूँ। और यूजुअली हमेशा प्रे करते हैं आपकी जब सलमान भाई फाइट करेंगे तो बहुत मजा आएगा। इस बार पिटने वाला मैं हूँ। तो मुझे डर बहुत लग रहा था। और आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग जब मैंने भाई को सेट पे मिला था तो मैंने कहा भाई थोड़ा जस्ट गो इजी ऑन मी, बिकॉज मुझे बिलीव नहीं होता कि मैं इस टाइम इस मोमेंट में सलमान भाई के सामने खड़ा हूँ।
सलमान जी आप कुछ टिप्स भी देते हैं कि
हाँ कि बहनोई को मारते नहीं, लॉ पे हाथ भी उठाते। जब ये आए थे फर्स्ट टेक के अंदर तो आते हुए आए फुल जोश के अंदर और पंच नहीं भाई ये इसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम, यहाँ पर तुमको मारना ही पड़ेगा। तो फिर इसके महेश हाँ इसके करीबन 14-15 टेक हो गए और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब ये पूरी पिक्चर भी होते रहेगा।
आयुष, यू आर स्कैर्ड टू हिट।
सर मैंने साइड में बोला था गाड़ी रेडी रखना। गलती से हाथ इधर उधर हो गया तो मैं डायरेक्ट भाग के गाड़ी में बैठ जाऊंगा।
तो जाओगे भी तो घर ही जाओगे।
बट तब तक थोड़ा शांति हो जाएगा। बट बहुत डर लग रहा था बिकॉज बहुत जैसे सडनली बताया था कि आगे भाई को पंच करना है। तो आई थिंक भाई इज वेरी काइंड। तो रियल लाइफ में तो काफी स्वीट होते हैं बट जब आप ऑन मूवी सेट में देखते हो दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आप सलमान खान के सामने खड़े हो और आपको उनको पंच मारना है। सो आई थिंक दैट डे थोड़ा पैल्पिटेशन टाइप हो गया था मुझे।
Hi Ayush, Sana from Indian Express here. Hi.
Hi ma'am.
As you rightly said कि डर लग रहा था, but given that Salman is there with you in this film, do you think it will work as an advantage because you know there's a certain section of audience that will definitely come to watch the film, or are you nervous because there would be comparisons and of course references?
Ma'am, for any actor, that's a different subject that I am related to him. But for any actor, it's a dream come true to be in a project that has Salman bhai. For me, I'm very lucky that I'm on the poster as well. So I think it's a huge advantage as an actor to be working with him. There are certain things you learn while you are training, and there are certain things you learn while you're on set. And to be a part of, I think most of his films have been so famous and they've been so popular. I think it's a dream come true for me to be a part of a movie that so many people, it reaches to so many people. So I can get the advantage of showing my work to a lot of people.
And Salman from
ये जो भी इन्होंने स्पीच दिया है इसको संभाल के रखना। कुछ सालों के अंदर I told भाई not to do it but he didn't listen.
And Salman from Bhaijan to Hindustan Ka Bhai, as your character rightly mentioned. Tell us more about playing a Sardar because I think it's probably for the first time that you're doing that.
No, I did that in Heroes a long time ago. And then when you play a character like that, then you need to best. And so whenever you play a character, any character actually, and you just need to just be very pure and just be very careful and be very respectful and dedicated to that character.
And Mahesh sir, I also wanted to ask you, given that as Salman rightly mentioned that you got to know about your illness before the film, how difficult was it to actually shoot amid the illness, or was it actually a healing process for you because you were on set?
Actually, what happened is when I got to know, so, but I don't know. I was lucky. The chemos didn't affect me at all. I had to take 4 chemos first before I'm going in for surgery. It was a huge surgery. But then during the shooting, I was under chemo and it didn't affect me so much. But then I don't know. I think work drives you, passion drives you, and I always think positively. I never. It didn't shock me that when they told me I've got cancer. So I just accepted it and I said, chalo, there are so many people who get cancer and who still fight and survive. So it didn't bother me too much. And then all were helpful in Salman. Everybody knew, so they were all very, very caring and there was no problem at all. And as I said, the film was like down my road. So I was quite comfortable and I think both of them were so supportive. In spite of, it was a change of role for Ayush also, a change of role for Salman also. It has whatever humor there is in the film, it comes out of situations. It is humor is not thrust in the film. So it is a very, very serious film, but then there is sort of a black comedy in the film. But I'm very, very satisfied with the way the film is shaped up, and it is to my liking. It is a commercial film, but still it is a real film.
Just one sec. Have you got the mic coming here? Actually, you're loud enough. We'll have you.
लेकिन gents first या ladies first?
No, with the mic only.
Gents
Without
first,
mic, nobody
gents,
can.
ladies ने बोल दिया gents first.
माइक किसके पास
और
है?
आप बात मान जाओगे? Then go ahead. पहले तो आप ladies और फिर आप second में बैठी हो.
ये आप कर रहे हो, आप पूछ लो ना.
समीना।
बैठे हुए
और
हैं.
आ जाएगा.
सबीना
जी,
गो
बोलिए।
अहेड।
सर जब सर को गुस्सा आता है तो अच्छा खासा आता है, पूरे सेट को पता होता है सर गुस्से में.
तुम्हारे पर आए हैं सर को
कौन से
जबरदस्त?
सर? ये सर या ये सर?
महेश
मैं तो सलमान सर की बात कर रहा हूँ. सलमान सर आपके साथ क्रिटिकल नहीं होते हैं कि आपकी फैमिली हो तो do a little better job, do a better take? Is that pressure not there? Sir, actually this is directed to you. Were you not more critical of him because he has to show a little more?
I keep my criticality within myself. Because then it becomes a big critical problem for him at home.
I is being modest. I is very
I will say
critical.
something to him, he will go and tell Arpita that this is what I said. And Arpita said, what are you? Then they call Kumar around onto me. So what he's doing is a sensible boy. He knows his stuff. He has his brains in the right place and he uses them as well. पढ़ा लिखा छोकरा है and good at heart अभी तक.
Yeah, Sabina, just finish. Sorry, I interrupted you there. Yeah, please.
Ayush,
One second. She just finished off. Yeah.
Ayush from playing a lover boy to Villanis role, how was the transformation for you altogether?
I think, ma'am, it was more of a psychological transformation to believe to do something like this. I never really thought that at the second film I would have to play a character like this, but I think more than anything, Mahesh sir had written the film. It was so beautiful that while I was reading the script and sir was doing my workshops at that point in time, it really started helping me psychologically to play the character. I wouldn't really say that all the transformation of Raulya as a character from the first film is only physical. I think it's more of a mental thing that Mahesh sir has helped me in this movie.
Hello.
Brother.
Yeah.
Yes. One second.
Yeah.
Right.
सलमान भाई जी आयुष एंड एवरीवन वेरी गुड टू सी यू ऑल एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ट्रेलर भी बहुत ही जबरदस्त है आयुष इज गिविंग अ टफ कंपटीशन फिजिक वाइज और
Trust me.
how happy are you feeling
I am very happy for him. Very happy for him, for Arpita, for his kids. Me, I've always said you need to compete with the younger boys. Now I'm competing with them.
और एक आपका सिग्नेचर डायलॉग होता है इसमें भी है इनफैक्ट वो किस तरह से अटैक का मौका है इसके बारे में
कौन सा डायलॉग?
सजा की हटेगी से पहले भी था, जो मैं कमिटमेंट कर देता हूँ.
उसी टाइप का लाइन है, but I thought this is a line that is suited best because there's a lot of pressure on him. उनके हाथ बंधे हुए हैं, जैसे ये अभी झेलते रहूँगा, और फिर क्लाइमैक्स के अंदर when he sees that too much wrong is happening, then he comes and stands up.
फिर से सिनेमा घरों में लाना, हमें उन्हें किस तरह का कंटेंट देना होगा? विजुअली बहुत खूबसूरत जैसे डिज्नी की फिल्में होती हैं, या मतलब हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्में, क्या लगता है आपको?
देखो अब ये थिएटर में लोग आना शुरू हो गए, अब देखो ये भी 50% बढ़ चुका है, तो आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं तो ऑडियंसेस भी ज़रूर आ जाएंगी थिएटर्स के अंदर. वो जो हम एक आईपैड या लैपटॉप पे या छोटे से फ़ोन पर जो हम फिल्म देखते हैं, वो उसका मज़ा नहीं आता जितना कि एक थिएटर में हम सब साथ बैठ कर एक पिक्चर देखें. और इसका कोई, अगर आप सोचते हो कि ये छोटे छोटे फ़ोन ये ऑल्टरनेट है ये सिनेमा घरों का, तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ ट्रू. अब ये फिल्म ऐसा लगा था कि लॉकडाउन नहीं खुलेगा, थिएटर्स नहीं खुलेंगे, तो ये OTT पे जा रही थी फिल्म, एंड इट वाज एवरी विच वे इट वाज beneficial for us to be on OTT, but we have taken this decision to release the film all over the country and overseas in theaters. Very close to you.
I'll wrap up with the last question. आपका one last question right here.
आपके लिए एक सवाल था. आयुष, जैसे मतलब घर में मतलब दामाद जो है वो बहुत पैम्पर होके मतलब रहते हैं, ठीक है, और मतलब जो खासकर मतलब बड़े साले साहब होते हैं,
सर कभी घर तो आओ.
बिल्कुल. तो सलमान सर से आप मतलब कितने इंटिमिडेट मतलब रहते हैं, कितना लिहाज करते हैं, और कब मतलब किस मोमेंट पे उनके साथ फ्रेंडली मजाक भी करते हैं?
Sir, Salman Bhai is related to me, but more than anything, I consider him my own elder brother. He's a mentor to me. He has always guided me. जितना भी मुझे थोड़ी बहुत knowledge है films की, it's all thanks to him. हर बात पे एक respect रहती है because he's almost the elder brother who we always go back to. There's no denying the fact that Salman Bhai is a very integral part of our family, and at least in my life, he is a very big part of my family. So we always have to go back to him for. Even for small things, you want a mental approval because he has an experience that we don't have.
They come to me, I go to my father.
But I think the comfort level is always there to say what you have to say, but obviously with respect. I think there's no pride in disrespecting somebody who, because of whom you are where you are.
One sec, we'll just one last question.
आपने नहीं पूछा अभी तक?
नहीं.
हाँ पूछिए आपने.
I'll finish with you with last, but let's let her ask them.
सलमान, अगर हम यहाँ जितने लोग बैठे हैं, खड़े हैं, सबने आपके बारे में कहा. अगर मनीष जी ने भी कहा, अगर मनीष जी की बात करें, तो वो अस्तित्व ले लें या वास्तव ले लें, वो आर्ट सिनेमा और कमर्शियल सिनेमा दोनों के बहुत बड़े महारथी हैं. तो आपको इनमें क्या खूबी नजर आई? ये एज एन एक्टर भी आपके साथ काफी काम कर चुके हैं, तो इन तीनों में आपको क्या खूबी नजर आई?
महेश और मैं वी लाइक ब्रदर्स. हम एक दूसरे को बहुत अरसे से जानते हैं और इनका सिनेमा मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इनकी हर मराठी फिल्म भी देखी है मैंने. इनके परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं, इनका विजुअल जो सेंस है, राइटिंग का, डायरेक्शन का, हर चीज़ का एक इनमें एक बड़ा ही अच्छा ग्रिप है. तो दैट इज़ वाई. और ये फिल्म जब हमारे पास आई, वी थॉट दैट महेश वुड बी द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर फॉर दिस फिल्म. और अब क्योंकि दोस्त हैं तो आई हैड टू गो एंड आस्क हिम कि यू डू दिस, प्लीज गिव हिम के यार ये ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ इस टाइप की पिक्चर, अंडरवर्ल्ड की पिक्चर, यू नो. बट देन ही सेड यस, ही वुड लव टू डू बिकॉज़ ही रियली लाइक द स्क्रिप्ट. आफ्टर दैट वी कंप्लीटेड द फिल्म. नाउ ट्रेलर आ चुका है. आई होप यू गाइस लाइक्ड इट.
Yes. Salman sir, good evening. One sec, guys. I'm going to wrap up here. One sec there. Right, this lady right in the front here. Yeah.
सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतने खूबसूरत ट्रेलर के लिए. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है.
शुक्रिया, इतनी खूबसूरत शक्ल.
इंतजार कर रहे थे और ये ट्रेलर देखने मिला. तीनों के तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे स्टैब्लिश हो रहे हैं। आयुष का किरदार गुंडा, गुंडे का बाप और एक पटाखा लड़की, तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे स्टैब्लिश हो रहे हैं। लेकिन जो हमारा क्यूट वाला और इंटरेस्टिंग वाला सरदार है, उसके लिए हीरोइन क्यों नहीं फिल्म में? क्यों? एक बड़ी मुश्किल से मौका मिलता है, बड़ी मुश्किल से लोग वेट करते हैं सारे एक्ट्रेसेस, सलमान के अपोजिट, और वो मौका महेश जी, सलमान वो मौका।
थोड़ा सा हमने सोचा था तो this character is a much better character on his own. अगर इसके अंदर वो रोमांस भी आ जाता और फिर वो गाने भी आ जाते तो ये कैरेक्टर डाइल्यूट हो जाता। We didn't want to dilute the character. हमने थोड़ा सा शूट भी किया था, but then we took that out to be true to the film. अब एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसको तो निभानी पड़ेगी, वो मैं कर लूँगा, आज नहीं तो कल। But this character is beautiful without a hero.
अच्छा बस एक आखिरी सवाल। हाँ one second. No, that's it. We'll end with gentleman there. Yes.
Salman sir, good evening. Diagonally 45 degrees to your left.
Top left, sir.
Please.
Yeah.
Sir, Riyad. Good evening, sir. First of all, a huge round of applause to the entire team. The trailer is really dasu, really pesa. So huge round of applause. Yeah. But sir, whenever Salman Khan film जब भी थिएटर में आने वाली है, so people का expectations is there, trade का भी एक expectations है. You know that there is a benchmark Salman Khan film that means इतनी opening लगने वाली है and all those things. Do you think so because of the phase
जितनी भी opening लगती थी उसका 50% कम कर दें।
हाँ जी. So sir, do you think so that now the trade and the industry as a whole, everybody has to temper their expectations?
Yes, but the industry will come back. ये जो एक सीट छोड़ के that will also go away. Mostly everyone has been vaccinated now. अब ये नहीं कि वैक्सीनेशन के बाद आपको कोविड नहीं होगा, दोनों के बाद भी आपको होगा, लेकिन ऐसा होगा जैसे कि वायरल फ्लू है, you know. So it's best to get yourself vaccinated. Whoever is not gotten vaccinated, it's safe for those people.
All right, we'll wrap up, guys. And everyone here is double vaccinated. You can enter the theater. Thank you so much. I'll just take.
Thank you.
यार बाकी चलते रहेंगे ना. अरे फोटो करेंगे. One second. फिल्म करते हैं. सब मतलब ये डाइट और वर्कआउट ही शुरू हो जाता है सर.
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं था, but I had worked out just before Antim. I had lost about 35 kgs.
That itself is a big round of applause for that.
Yeah.
Big.
Well done. But फिर then एक unfortunate thing happened after I finished Antim. वो एक ऐसा था कि I was diagnosed with cancer. During, yeah. I shot about the last portion when I had cancer. In fact, I was taking chemotherapy. But then today I am very happy to tell you that I am cancer free and.
He got to know that he had cancer before shooting Antim. He did not tell us, but then we found out, and then as soon as he finished the first lot of shoot, then he went and got himself operated, and now today he's.
Looks fantastic. Salman sir, always pressure on you whenever you have other faces with you also. There's a matchup, body matchup also. That also happens rarely. How much did you have to work on Ayush to make sure that the matchup worked?
He hadn't. I had an advantage of age and experience, and he did have an advantage of enthusiasm and 4 months. Yeah, I started one and a half week before the body shot. I thought it was going to get postponed by 4 days, but he would not be able to handle those 4 days. So I had to shoot in those 4 days.
Ayush, this is always a big time for you also. Like I said, तुम्हारा इंतजार रहता है कि यार मैं जल्दी लोगों के सामने अपने नए अवतार present करूं. And we were talking about this also last time. आपकी not just body, even the look is a very different look, of course, and it's shades of meanness, negativity, tough action boy, which you aren't in real life. तो कैसा था transformation मुश्किल?
I think it was very different. As you said, it's not me in real life. So physical transformation is one aspect of it, but to understand, to do it properly, I think Mahesh sir was very kind enough to help me translate this character. He really helped me on set and he used to help me before the shooting began, how to understand what I need to do and how to not make it loud but make it underplay the whole character. But more than anything, it was Salman Bhai who really inspired. For 2 years when the film was in pre-production stage, he'll constantly keep inspiring that this is a film that you could change yourself through, do something different. And I think I'm very lucky that many actors don't get a chance in the second film to change themselves completely. I think I'm very grateful for the makers to give me that opportunity.
I have two opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient. कब film release हो रहा है, कब digital post release हो रहा है, कब start कर रहे हैं shoot, खत्म करो इसका.
But it's worked well, sir.
Release कर रहे हैं.
Are you happy with the final product of Ayush?
Me? You asked
Both
me?
of you, sir.
Me?
This is the final product. He said you kept inspiring and you were
No, we were happy with this product when my sister got married to him. But I am very happy with their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
So this production was done
If you
well.
ask me, I think you expect something. When you're working with an actor, you expect something. This guy will deliver this much, but I think he has far exceeded my expectations. He's fantastic in the film, and I used to take it, but I want people to see Salman in the film because he's a different Salman in the film, and he has done a brilliant job. So I'm more than happy because I got to work with two guys who I'm very, very satisfied when I see the thing. I feel they've done a great job.
And she's done a brilliant job as well also. Mama, congratulations on the big stage. You're a semi-veteran, film debut, yes, but so for the audiences, like we did this, when did you actually first appear in front of the camera?
Firstly, hi, good evening. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for making our day even more special. Okay, so to answer your question, I started off acting when I was 10. So
this is an easy cakewalk for you then.
Not at all, not at all. First of all, I can't believe that I'm sharing the stage, the screens with the people around me, and it still feels unreal. And let me tell you, it's a dream come true. Never did I think that I will get this opportunity to work with Salman.
Shuri nikal gayi.
Never did I think this that I would get an opportunity to work with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, incredible people, and to work on a wonderful script. So it was definitely not a cakewalk for me. It was more about proving myself that sir ne agar Mahesh sir ne Salman sir ne bharosa kiya hai, तो I should prove myself. And I am, like sir said, the character is extremely, it's a pataka. She was a firecracker. So for me to crack her and to pull her off was
very simple.
Oh no.
As you can all see.
So it still feels unreal, and I can't tell you how happy, how emotional. I mean, it's a mixed emotion that I have inside me right now, but I feel incredible and happy, and yeah.
I'm so happy you really sound excited about that. That's the way it should be. Yeah. Wait till the 26th.
Yes.
You probably won't be able to sleep at night. Two gentlemen over there. Yeah.
Huh? Very fun is that.
Your family is here, right?
I
see. Two gentlemen standing over there. This conversation cannot continue without introducing them. Ravi Basrur Saab and Nitesh. Ravi Basrur Saab, KGF 1, The first time I went into a theatre to watch that, I was one of the few people, and I was discussing with Ravi sir. The sound when Yash walks in, it just blew everybody's mind away. So he created the BGM for that, and he's just one of the most incredible sound gentlemen that there is.